see who shared your post on Instagram. Yes, the real method that actually works. If you've ever wondered who's spreading your content across Instagram, stick around because this quick guide will show you exactly where to find that hidden option most people don't even know exists. So let's get straight into it. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once it launches, head down to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. That'll take you directly to your profile page where all your posts are displayed. Now, from your profile, look for the exact post you want to check. It could be a picture, a reel, or any content you've recently uploaded. Simply tap on that post to open it. Here's where things get interesting. On the top right corner of the post, you'll see the three-dot menu. Go ahead and tap that. A small menu will pop up, and in that list, you'll find the option called View Story Reshares. This option is the key. When you tap View Story Reshares, Instagram will show you all the public accounts that have reshared your post to their stories. Remember, this only displays public story reshares. Private accounts who shared your post won't appear because Instagram protects their privacy. Inside the reshare list, you'll see different story thumbnails. Tap on any one of these. Once it opens, look at the top left corner. That's where Instagram shows the username of the person who reshared your content. And the best part, you can tap their profile picture right there to jump straight to their Instagram profile. This is super helpful for creators, businesses, and anyone trying to track engagement or see who's boosting their post. And that's it. A simple, effective way to check exactly who's sharing your Instagram posts. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Instagram or social media hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.